The days go by faster, and each day we must be increasingly productive. And the more agile and fast we are, the more we think about whether we are making good use of our time. But if we stop to think about this for a few moments, a few questions arise. Are our company's processes working well? Are we being efficient? Are we making the important decisions based on Excel files and macros? Are we wasting time and money by not having an adequate optimization of our mission-critical processes? At SmartBP, we know how to make your business more productive, more efficient, and smarter. SmartBP is a technology-based company that develops optimization solutions tailored to the needs of organizations to improve strategic, tactical, and operational decision-making processes. How do we do it? We convert your complex business processes into mathematical optimization models that accurately reflect the current reality of your company. We use the IBM iLog CPLEX optimization engines, providing our clients with a tool that will allow you to maximize the value of your business decisions. Maximize revenue, minimize costs, improve service levels, increase efficiency by reducing operating time, and increasing the analytic efficiency of decision makers so they can evaluate different alternative decision scenarios and make appropriate business decisions to guide their company forward. Every business can benefit from optimization, reviewing and improving business processes. At SmartBP, we are not experts in every industry. We are experts in what your business needs to increase the value of your decisions.